Welcome back to Money House Media, your trusted guide to financial clarity. This is part 5 of 5, the final chapter of our journey into the future of housing 2026. In part 1, we asked if homes are getting smarter or just unaffordable. In part 2, we looked at the green home revolution and the real cost of sustainability. In part 3, we showed how AI and automation are changing how we build and finance homes. And in part 4, we saw how modular innovation is helping families finally afford to own again. Tonight, we bring it all together: the technology, the affordability, and the human spirit behind it. Because to succeed in this new era, we must evolve with the change. The housing market in 2026 is changing faster than at any time in modern history. AI now touches everything, from how homes are priced to how loans are approved. Green homes are no longer luxury, they're expected, and modular innovation is finally delivering homes at the speed America needs. But progress comes with pressure. Prices are still high, insurance is rising, and many buyers feel left behind by a system built for the past. That's why this chapter is about people learning to adapt. Let's look at the real pros and cons of where we're heading. Technology can build houses, but only people can build homes. This decade is about learning to work with change instead of against it. Loan officers who embrace AI will serve clients faster. Builders who embrace modular will deliver affordable quality sooner. Families who start with a portion of ownership will build equity for tomorrow. We are all part of this transition, and it's how we keep the American dream alive. To succeed in this new housing era, you must evolve with it. Here's how. Number 1. Stay educated. Learn the new loan types, tax credits, and energy programs. Number 2. Go green where you can. Small upgrades save money and add value. Number 3. Think modular. Follow where factory-built communities are expanding. That's where affordable opportunity lives. Number 4. Be digitally ready. Keep your financial documents organized for AI-based lending. Number 5. Collaborate. Builders, realtors, and lenders who share knowledge will thrive. This isn't about who gets left behind. It's about how we move forward together. We started this series asking, will the homes of 2026 be smarter or simply unaffordable? Here's the answer. They're getting smarter so they can be more affordable. They're getting greener so they can be more sustainable. And they're becoming modular so more families can finally own. That's not just progress, that's purpose. Goldman Sachs predicts home prices will rise modestly into 2026, steady, not soaring. And BlackRock believes tokenization will open real estate to millions of new investors. Those two trends together mean something powerful. The door to home ownership isn't closing, it's being rebuilt. Thank you for joining us through all 5 chapters of the Future of Housing 2026. If this series helped you see a clearer path forward, hit subscribe, share it with someone you care about, and stay connected with Money House Media. Because the future of housing isn't coming someday. It's being built right now. Keep an eye on my last chapter, The Great Reset, and how to position yourself whether you are buying or selling.
This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult a licensed mortgage professional before making loan decisions. Equal Housing Lender, NMLS ID 1020597.
Change is never easy, but every great community was once a bold idea someone believed in enough to build.